Hey there, thanks for logging on. Today we're talking to Edison's Teacher of the Year as part of our campus close-up. We've also got the details on HISD Police's Trunk or Treat event, plus some important events for families of pre-K students, and find out why the Houston Texans stopped by one of our schools. Plus, 3 of our high schools just landed top spots on a major statewide ranking. All of that and much more right now. Don't forget, you can skip around to any story in the chapters below in the description of this video. It is Wednesday, October 1st. Let's get into it.
Hi, I'm Lana Hill for HISD Now. Before we get to the rest of our daily headlines, we have an update on an incident that happened Friday at Westside High School. This morning, an 18-year-old Westside student was arrested and charged with exhibition of a firearm on a school campus after HISD police say he discharged a weapon outside near the school's basketball courts. No one was hurt, and HISD PD has conducted a thorough investigation. Here is more from our chief of police.
I want to assure everyone that at this time we don't have any evidence that the firearm was inside the building. Again, this happened outside. Want everyone to know that this is a testament to just remain vigilant as it pertains to employing our weapon detection systems and all other safety protocols as it pertains to, entrances and access points. Again, see something, say something, because the follow-up investigation was successful as it pertains to receiving information from various students. We take these matters seriously. They will be investigated with the intent of pursuing criminal charges where they are warranted.
HISD's #1 priority is the safety and security of all students and staff at all times. We now go back to Trey for today's headlines and stories.
So this week, we've been sharing stories with you from Edison Middle School as part of our campus close-up series. The school, now an A-rated campus, is bursting with creativity and culture, engaged students, and teachers going the extra mile, like Edison's Teacher of the Year. It's a brand new story that we just uploaded to the channel. Now, we talked about how she's combining the art of thinking to important history lessons and turning these students into sharp, critical thinkers. Go check out that story on the channel. It's also on Facebook and Instagram. And tomorrow on HISD Now, you'll hear from students at Edison. Now, they talked to me about the classes and programs they like, one of them even telling me that she feels ready to take on high school, and she'll be heading there next year with an important class credit that she earned in middle school. That story is coming up tomorrow, so be on the lookout. Well, parents with little ones, check this out. This month, HISD is hosting several informational pre-K parent Palooza events. Now, these hands-on sessions are for families of pre-K students and a chance for them to meet experts in the field and to learn quick strategies to further prepare your child for kindergarten. Go to our socials, look for this flyer, and scan that QR code to register. And it's October 1st, and you know what that means. It's time for some spooky fun and treats. HISD Police Department's Trunk or Treat event is happening later this month. Now, these are photos of the event from last year. It's a fun and safe way for families to come on out, enjoy some food, candy, music, and much more. Be sure to mark your calendar. The Trunk or Treat event is happening on Wednesday, October 29th from 5 to 7 p.m. at the High School for Law and Justice. Well, check this out. The Houston Texans brought some serious star power to J.P. Henderson Elementary, all to inspire students to fall in love with reading. Now, retired player Wade Smith, along with some other Texans, their cheerleaders, and of course, their mascot Toro, kicked off year 2 of the Reading with the Pros program. Shout out to KPRC for covering this awesome event that's making a real impact in our schools and communities. You can check out the story on KPRC's website. We also shared it on our Facebook page. Well, Houston area schools are showing up and showing out. Check this out. According to Nisha's 2026 rankings, 7 local high schools landed in the top 20 in the entire state, and HISD led the way as the top performing local district. Big congrats to Carnegie Vanguard, Kinder HSPVA, and DeBakey for making the list. And shout out to KHOU for highlighting this major win for public education in our city. And a heads up for high school seniors and transfer students, the city of Houston is hosting a college fair next Monday, October 6th at the Wheeler Avenue Baptist Church Gymnasium. Now this will be from 4 to 8 p.m. This is a great chance for families to connect with college reps, explore schools from across the country, and get valuable information on scholarships, financial aid, and the admissions process. As always, thanks for logging on and connecting with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these stories. We'll see you back here tomorrow.